Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging. Do that now. You want no power in the system. Once off, flip the MacBook and remove the 10 Phillips #00 screws, keeping them grouped so each hole screw returns correctly. Use an anti-static wrist strap or at least touch grounded metal to bleed charge. You'll remove the bottom cover. Make sure the battery connector and the long screws are visible. This avoids confusion later and protects delicate ribbon cables. Once the cover is off, identify the two RAM SODIMM modules. Note the small orientation notch so you can reinstall correctly. You'll use your fingers to spread the metal retention clips outward. When the module pops up to about a 30 degrees angle, pull it straight out by the edges. Do not twist. After ejection, inspect the contacts for dust using compressed air and place the module into an anti-static sleeve. Keep track of which slot each stick came from to avoid compatibility issues later. To finish, reinsert each SODIMM at a 30 degrees angle, align the notch, then press down until the side clips snap into place. Make sure both clips fully engage. Next, reconnect the battery, replace the bottom cover, and tighten screws in their original positions evenly. Once you power on, verify system RAM in about this Mac. If it won't boot, power down and reseat the modules. Try one stick alone in the primary slot, and check for bent pins or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.